Hello and welcome to the Simple Book Reads channel. This is Dr. Rudraman on the side and I hope you're having a great day, and today we're going to be talking about this book by Mel Robbins, a fantastic international bestseller known as The 5-Second Rule. Let's read on. So today we are going to be talking about this fantastic book by one of the biggest motivational speakers that are present there today out in the market. Her name is Mel Robbins, and she has had this tumultuous and very eventful journey, and she has turned out to be one of the biggest international best-selling authors who has come up with a book about a few years back known as 5-Second Rule. Basically, this book is something on the lines of self-help, and I was recommended this book because I was absorbing her content on YouTube, and she is a keynote speaker and motivational speaker everywhere. She has her own podcast, she has her own show. She is one of my heroes that really inspires me about it. And this book she's written is basically about a 5-second rule. Basically, it's like a countdown where you talk about everything that you need to do, any change, anything you need to get about as a change in your life, be it productive or omission of a bad habit, or a disruptive kind of a thing that you would want to have in your life to be more productive. It's basically harnessing this rule as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I would really want you to go through this rule and maybe Google about it and probably go through the book. The book is very nicely written. It's a very simple read. It's quoted examples which are very relatable. So what I really liked about her way of writing is the fact that it's not like it's not like a monologue or something, and it seems like that she's talking to you through the words that have been inscribed into the book. Secondly, the examples that she's drawn are very tangible, right from history onwards. She's talked about the movement against racism in the US and all those other things, and she's talked about how everything and everyone is not destined for in the start for about great success and all those things. And sometimes people have success bestowed upon them, and sometimes they have to face their challenges, and that's why they come out to be that kind of a thing. So the basic crux about the book is this 5-second rule, which talks about that you have to count down from 5 to 1. And what happens in this case, whatever the rationale is, that has been explained scientifically in the book as well. What it basically tells you is that all you need to do is, at any point of time you need to do something positive, negative, or change some sort of a habit, you have to take down this rule. I really like it how she has talked about anxiety, and on one of her podcasts as well she's talked about her anxiety and how she's been an anxious person all her life, and how she has used this rule in her personal life to deal with a lot of things, a lot of issues such as anxiety. And I have tried this rule in my own life, and it has really helped me out. It has really helped me be motivated. So this book is really good. I would personally suggest, because if you are into self-help, this book is very nicely, very simply written, and you can probably just go about it, reading about it. Since it's a self-help book, there is no stop and a start thing. There's no, the flow is like that you can probably pick up where you left off. And at the same time, she really knows how to connect with the audience. I really loved reading that book, and this is one of the books that I read which I think probably I finished the fastest, because it was so easy to read and so relatable as such. Because sometimes what happens is we feel when we talk about people who have achieved a lot of greatness, that there was something very special about them. And she has really highlighted it in this book that sometimes I would not go into the crux of the the content, because I would want you to read the book, but she's talked about sometimes greatness is thwarted upon people, and it is sometimes luck by chance, and sometimes it's just that instinct. So she's really broken it down very nicely about the fact that what you really need to understand about yourself, you need to really stop bullshitting yourself. And there's one thing she's talked about is basically, when you go through a podcast as well, she talks about how your brain processes. Your brain is like it's like a tricky carnival for you, because a lot of responses in the brain, be it positive or negative, are very similar in nature. But at the same time, our brain tricks us into thinking and rationalizing the thoughts. And she's talked about your instincts and your rational, irrational aspects of your personality. So this book is really nice, and I would definitely strongly recommend it. If at all you're feeling stuck at this point of time, I would suggest that you should go ahead and purchase this book. It's very affordable, and you should read her other books. If you are into podcasts, make sure that you listen to her podcast. I do that very regularly. I have commented and DM'd her as well, and she's replied back. She's a beautiful person, and she's really helped me out, and she's one of my heroes when it comes to understanding self and trying to bring out change in my own life. So this was about the 5-second rule. Please go ahead and read this book. It's definitely going to put an impact into your head about the change in perception and perspective. So that's about from my side. I hope you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe, and read on.